Okay, we're back and we're going to attempt our fan art sandworm abstract painting. I am using some leftovers from the last video. That was the black and white with red blowout. I think it came out really awesome. So we had the Artist Loft Soft Body in white. We had the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in black. We had the Parage Posse Allen's Red Shimmer. And then we are now going to add Amsterdam, and that is turquoise green, and it is an opaque. So we should be able to get some really nice cells and lacing if we swipe it, kind of like the bloom technique. All of these are mixed with school glue and water pouring medium. The school glue and water is mixed 70% Elmer's school glue to 30% water, and I shake it to the point of insanity. All these colors here are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts pouring medium. The swipe color, or cell activator as some like to call it, is 1 part Amsterdam opaque, in this case turquoise green, to 3 parts school glue pouring medium. All right, we are going to do a wandering ring pour, and I'm going to be using a split cup that I got from Mixed Media Girl, Marcy Fierro. Please go check out her channel. She does awesome work. So let's get started. And I don't want too much red. I want it mostly black and white with just traces of red. So, okay. Let's put white. Boy, that is bubbly. You can tell I just mixed up a little bit more and added it to what I had left over. Okay, let's put in white here on both sides of the chamber. Oh. Okay, so there is the split cup. Did white on this side, white on this side. It's got 4 chambers. There we go. Okay. And like I said, it's very bubbly. And then we're going to do black. Halfway. Yeah. Well, do I do just 1 black chamber? Okay, now I'm wondering. Let's go black and red, equal amounts on either side, and just keep layering them alternately. Okay, so that's about the right height. There we go. Pretty equal. And then we'll add a little bit more black in there. There we go. And then we'll add a little red to this side to come up even with the top of the black again. There we go. Okay. And then black again on this side. There we go. And then red to match this side. Almost up, almost even. Okay, there we go. And then let's do a little bit more red on this side. There. And a little bit more black on this side. Okay, that should be good. All right, so now we've got our cup layered. Oh boy. Let me move all this other stuff out of the way. Oh, if I didn't say already, we are going to be using an 8x24 deep dish canvas. It is a staple back canvas. I get them off Amazon from Mark and Art. Tack up the edges too. I don't have much problems with these canvases, but it's nice for them sometimes to have a little something tacky to grab onto sometimes. So let's do that. And then as we're wandering our rings around, that can start to dry a bit, set up, and get tacky. And that way, hopefully, it'll keep our nice lines on these deep dish edges. So, I'm not going to fast forward you through that because I think that is helpful information. Let's see, should we push it or pull it? I think I'm going to pull it this time. All right, here we go. Yeah, I do great big circle rings. I don't make them all nice and tight like a spiral. I probably should, huh? Okay. And then we're going to go back again. We are going to go back again just because we can. There we go. All right. Let's start tilting and stretching. See where it leads us. All my black disappeared. Man. I may have to do another one. Completely missed the middle there. Polo! 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 Sorry. Yes, I know. Yeah. This is my cat Taz, everybody. Check that out. I'm starting to get pearls developing. I bet if I really stretch it, they will really pop up. Let's see. Yeah, this is just like using satin enamel. Well, poo. Poo-poo-pee-doo. You wash up, we'll come back, assess the situation, and probably do a re-pour. I'll be right back, guys. Look at all these little white cells that came up through the black and the red bands. Gotta be the new white. It's gotta be the soft body instead of the flow white, whatever they changed. Let's try and make this work, huh? Let's try and make it work. I definitely want more red in this now. So, sandworm, sandworm idea out the window. Out the window, but we've got some cool colors to play with. Just trying to follow the same line that's already in there. And these are just plastic butter knives from the Dollar Tree. Hey, it's a Christmas candy cane. Not that I think there's any black in a Christmas candy cane, but blackjack licorice gum. Any of you guys remember that stuff? Telling on my age. Wow. What little base coat there is, it is eating the red. But it's blending well. Blending really well. Digging this, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I'm liking it. And I don't think I want to add teal to it. I don't. I like how the black is turning kind of a bluish gray in the background, giving it some depth. Hopefully the red lines added some pop. It just kind of says Snowy Christmas. I don't know why. I just love it. I do. I like this. I do like this one a lot. Look at those cells. Is that insanity? So yeah, this turned into a cloud pearl pour without even trying. And just using Artist Loft Soft Body White and school glue pouring medium. It is crazy. It looks like a bunch of teeth. Somebody slipped and fell on the ice and knocked out all their teeth. Merry Christmas. Hey guys. I wanted to put these two side by side because it's the exact same colors and the exact same recipe. And I'm thinking that, yeah, that Artist Loft Soft Body White is what is creating all these super cool cells. It came out super cool. Wasn't what I was planning or expecting on this one. I had something totally different in mind for how this was going to come out. But yeah, they're very similar. So yeah, there was no blowing involved in this one. The white pearl cells just kind of popped up on their own on this one. No blow dryer help needed at all. Just strange. But I really like them. I really like them a lot. Oh. And let me know what you think in the comments. Have you had any experience with this Artist Loft Flow? Well, not Flow Acrylic anymore. It's Soft Body. So, what did you think? Do you like how it sells if it sells like this for you too? But man, does that Allen's Red Shimmer pop from Parage Posse. Just love that. Okay guys, well, I'm sure you've got things to do, and I know I've got a ton of things to do. So, we'll see you later. Loves and hugs y'all. Bye.